Hi everyone and warm welcome to the wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this video I'm going to talk about a big confusion which everybody is kind of going gaga and crazy over internet. Of course, people are commenting, talking to me, messaging on Instagram about, are we going to get a combined limit in American Express credit card? Now, before I give my verdict or to give you the real information, so-called, not a fake information, or I'm not trying to promote this video because of fake information, I want to come to the point. Do remember, American Express is one such credit card along with SBI that these cards, whatever cards you have with the help of Amex and of course SBI, I cannot give you guarantee because SBI can give you combined limit. In American Express, it is next to impossible to have a combined limit if you happen to have three different cards. Now, let me explain the scenarios in the situation where you may get in Amex combined limit. Point number one, whenever you're going to go for a gold charge card or any kind of charge card and two credit card, in these situations, when you go ahead and check the shadow limit on the gold charge card or any kind of charge card in the Amex, you get a statement saying that your total available combined limit is XYZ blah blah blah. Now, the moral of the story is that the combined limit, as it is normally shows in the charge card section, is a limit which you're allowed to spend up to certain time on that particular charge card, and it will keep on rotating, moving ahead, coming back and forth. So that's meaning and the definition number one why they say combined limit. Number two, which is a genuine situation, if you have any card from American Express and if you have a supplementary card, do remember, supplementary card versus so-called companion card, if I'm not mistaken, are two different things. Companion card is something which used to have a separate limit, a separate bracket, and it was also sort of a card which never gave a combined limit. But the supplementary card is a card which if you hold along with any of your existing Amex card and you happen to give that card to your spouse, your mom and dad, your family members, that card will have a combined limit. But the primary card, if you're the only one having three different cards, one charge card, two credit card, it is next to impossible to have a combined limit, at least as per my information in American Express. Whatever I have on American Express, they do not offer or do not support or promote a combined limit in American Express charge card or with any of the credit cards. That's what I have come to know, and I can certify with the help of this video that please don't panic. American Express and along with SBI, these are two remaining banks in India which generally offers three different cards with three different limits. So in case if people are telling you information about Amex has got the combined limit stuff included and they're about to roll, it's a bullshit information, it's a fake information. Do not believe them, because the information which I normally tend to present and probably publish, it's going to be checked twice, thrice, and then I publish the information. Otherwise, it's not nice to be viral on YouTube or any of the Facebook or Instagram media just because you want to promote a fake information. I hope this video helps. I hope this video solves all your doubt about American Express combined limit, whether they have it or don't have it, all those mumbo jumbo. In case if you have any question, pin it to me. And yes, I'm trying to promote my Facebook channel, my Instagram new ID, along with the YouTube. Please follow me and on the X handle, because I'm trying to grow my audience on these three platforms. And with the help of these three platforms going forward, I will be uploading my referral cards links, Amex links and offers and details. So if you are already with me on Instagram, please move on to the new Instagram which is there in the video description. And Facebook is a newly launched platform of mine wherein I'm promoting big time, a lot of movies, a lot of video podcasts, a lot of other important stuff about credit card and all of my YouTube content. And on the X, you know the reason and you know the logic why we have X with us. Well, that's it from my end. You have a good day and thanks for watching.